Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set your Gumroad username. So actually guys, first you will need to open up your favorite browser and then just go with gumroad.com. And then just go and log in to your account or create a new one by going with start selling the button that you can find at the top right corner of the website. The login option, you will find it next to it, so just go ahead and click it, and then you will need to go with your login method or the login method that you used before. So for example, I'm using Google right here. I will need just to click it and choose my email. And after logging in, you will be forwarded into your account dashboard. And here, all you need to do is go with left hand menu and scroll down till you can see the settings option with gear icon. So just click it, and after that, go with profile tab. So here where you can see or you can find and you can change the username, name, bio, logo, or the profile picture. You can link your social links right here. Choose the font and the background color, also the highlights. So in that video we are talking about the username. So on that blank, you will need to enter your desired username. So only letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores are allowed. Keep it short, memorable, and consistent with your brand. And once finished, you will need to go and click on Update Settings right here to make sure to save changes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.